guys, it's Scarlett Build Across, and today I want to show you how I paint this snowman ornament. I'm going to go in first and do this half circle on the side of my ornament in the color Fluff. Next I'm going to go in with the Gulf actually and base coat my ornament, and then I'm going to go in and blend just a little bit of the color Cotton in a little swirl there. And now I'm going in with a little bit of Savannah Mist and painting the top of my ornament. Now I'm going to go in with Florida Orange and add my snowman's nose. I'm also going to go in and add him a smile and an eye. Next I'm going to go in with the number 4 round and the color Black, and I'm just going to highlight my little swirl at the top a little bit, and then I'm going to go in and highlight his eye with a little bit of white and the edge of my paintbrush. And then again, I'm going to go in with that number 4 round and some of the color Cotton and add some little snowflakes. Now I'm going to go in and just add a few more dots to his smile to make it a little bit larger, and then fill in his nose. And then that's it. He is very simple, easy, and cute. I hope you guys enjoy this video and have a great day.